everybody, welcome back. It's Tosh here. I am here today with my Ipsy unbagging for the month of June. I said in my last video I still am working on recovering and not putting a ton of makeup on my eyes yet. I am hoping that in the next video or maybe next week I'll be back to normal. But for now we're still unpackaging and reviewing and those kind of things. So Ipsy is right here. We're going to jump into that. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do all things makeup related. Typically I'm in the video, but like I said, I'm recovering, so I should be in the next video or in a couple. Without any more talk, let's go ahead and jump right into the unbagging. I was smart enough to bring scissors here. I have not even opened it or looked at it because I wanted to do it with you guys. My scissors are not sharp. Oh, fail. Well, you know, I had good intentions. Okay, so let's go ahead and dump this out. So there is that bag. So super cute. I actually really like the bag there. Let's jump in and see what I got. So first thing that I have here is the Real Her Positive Vibes. And so this is a moisturizing lipstick. Retail value is $18. And basically it says that it is a nourishing formula with jojoba seed and shea butter to nix chapping and dryness, plus time-released water droplets that provide moisture throughout the day. That's interesting. Let's go ahead and open this up. I have this in, I can't tell what color it is. Sorry, I can't read it. I'll be so glad when my eyes get back to where they were, back to normal. Oh, okay, fail. I opened from the bottom and that's not happening. So there's from the top. Oh, I thought this was a full size and it is not. It is just a little sample size. Beautiful, beautiful pinky shade there. I do really like that rosy pink. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Comes off more as an apricot in real person than it does a mauvey pink. So more of an apricot-y pink than a mauvey pink. More like the actual bag almost. Pretty, not bad. I would imagine that that would not be a long-lasting product since it's very moisturizing, but you never know. We'll certainly try it out. The Professional Super Setter, and so this is the makeup setting spray by Professional. I have not tried this yet. It says your makeup isn't complete without a few spritzes of the super powered setting spray. The lightweight formula instantly smooths and refreshes skin, blurs the look of pores, and mattifies excess shine with microfine powders, and locks your look into place for a full 18 hours. Shake the bottle well and spray. Retail value $32. We are going to go ahead and open it up and spray it. I'm interested that it says it has microfine powders. Again, I am a dry-faced gal, so I'm not sure how that works. Let's go ahead and... Oh, that is a very nice microfine spray. No big droplets. I know you can't see it, but it came out right here on my skin. Felt beautiful, felt refreshing. It does have like a baby powder scent to it. I'm interested to try that. Okay, cool. So next product. The next little thing that I'm pulling out of the bag here, okay, is the Calming Green Turnover Toner. La Palette Beauty Calming Green Turnover Toner. Retail value is $19.99. This is not a full size. It says don't sleep on this toner. It refreshes and smooths skin post-cleanse with naturally derived green tea extract and removes dense skin cells with a combo of exfoliating acids. The result, it's healthy, vibrant, and glowing. Be interested to know, oh, AHA, BHA, PHA. PHA is a smaller molecule acid. Green tea is another ingredient in here. Okay, it is all sealed up. I am going to go ahead and open it up because I am always for these kind of toners and will get some use out of it. It says skin calming, but with different acids in it, I would wonder how that works. Let's give it a smell. Doesn't smell like anything. We're going to put a little bit out right there. A little florally, but not bad. And it is literally just a toner, so it'll go right in. It is very watery, which is normal. It does have a nice topper on it, so it won't come out too fast. So very cool. I like that. I'm all about it. Oh, two more products, and I pulled them both out at the same time. So let's go ahead and do this one first. This is by Farrah, and it looks like it is a double-ended tweezer. And that's exactly what it is. Retail value is $12. Of course, we do have the full size, so there you go. And I don't know how to open it without wrecking the package. So it is lilac in color, kind of a purpley color, and so you have tweezers right there. You do have to pinch closer on there, and then the same thing on this end, tweezers at this end, and it actually has this little slide little thing in the middle so that you can squeeze on either end, but you do have to be closer to that end to control it. We'll try it. I'm always up for a good pair of tweezers. Last thing I have here is an itty bitty, very small size, Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer in 60. It says this concealer checks all the right boxes. It has a lightweight serum-like texture, provides medium coverage that's buildable, blendable, and looks like second skin, lasts for hours without creasing or fading. Retail value $24. Let's go ahead and put a little bit out. I'm worried that 60 might be a little bit dark for me. Oh, and it does have a seal. Thank you. Thank you. We're going to put just the itty bitty amount right here. And that's not bad. It's a little bit dark for what I typically like on my face. My hand is a little bit darker than my face. So we might have to lighten it up with another. I don't know, that kind of looks lighter as I blend it out, huh? It does feel very, very lightweight. It is nice and blendable. You can see that for the most part, it is covering up some of my veins right there. It is still showing through just a little bit, but I have blended it out quite a bit. I do like that it feels very, very lightweight. It does not feel like much is on there at all, and that would be nice under the eyes for sure. A little bit goes a very long way. As you can see, just that little tiny bit. And I'm still working with it to kind of cover. Nice. So excited. We'll try that for sure. So that is my Ipsy for the month of June. I did get some skincare products in here. I'm not mad about it though. That's what I typically expect with Ipsy. I did get quite a few makeup products. I don't mind that bag at all. I think it's kind of cool. I love the bag itself. I think that's a pretty pattern. What did you guys think about your Ipsy bag for this month? I know some people were super disappointed in what they received. Let me know what you guys think about Ipsy. Is it something that you guys are still interested in? Give me a shout. Let me know. Again, thank you guys so much for joining me. I loved having you here with me. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.